Robert and Vivian and Leah.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, just say thank you, Uncle Robert.
Thank you, Uncle Robert.
That thing is cool, isn't it, Nolan?
Yep.
And Ricky, isn't it cool?
Yeah.
If his brother won't break it before he gets to play it again. Oh, strike one.
Down, foul.
Yeah.
Foul. That's foul.
Whoop.
Is he too close? I think he's a little too close.
He is.
There you go.
Whoops.